Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So most of the interviewer asks one question to the candidate: what are the main 5 types of the construction certificate to be issued from the client to the contractor? So we are the course commercial professional, so we should understand these types of the construction certificates very thoroughly. So in this session we are going to very deeply discuss these types of construction certificate. This is a very quick update. We recently launched 3 new courses. The first one is the MEP quantity surveying practice. The second one is the EOT and claims management. The third one is the interior fit out quantity surveying practice. So there is 3 new courses are available in our website. So just visit our official website managingqs.com. So the first one is the advance payment certificate. So as a quantity surveying professional, we deal with these types of the certificate many times. Okay, so this is the first payment of the contractor. So the client issue this payment to the contractor to initiate the work without any work progress. Okay, and also the contractor must be submit. There's 2 very important documents before release this payment certificate. The first one is the advance payment guarantee. The second one is the performance guarantee. So these 2 important documents should be provided by the contractor to the client. Then the client is verify these documents, then approve the document. After that they will release for this advance payment certificate. The second one is the payment certificate. So we deal with these things many times actually. Each and every month the contractor side quantity surveyor, they issue the interim payment application to the consultant. So the consultant review that, evaluate that interim payment application very thoroughly. So there is a work progress, and also there is a lot of documents should be attached, and there's a retention, advance payment deduction, there's also other deduction, and some claims variation also included. So these all the elements should be evaluated by the consultant. Then finally they approved, then they release the payment certificate. So this is the second type of the certificate, construction certificate. The third one is the taking over certificate. So this one we already discussed these things many times. So once we completed our project here, so the defect liability period should be start from the completion point. So at this point the client should be issued the taking over certificate. Actually there's many conditions are available during this taking over certificate issuing time. So the work should be completed very properly, and this site should be very clean and cleared, and also other testing and commission should be completed. And also there is some the conditions are available. So the contractor should be fulfill these conditions, then the client should be issued the taking over certificate. So this is the third one. And the fourth one is the performance certificate. So performance mean this one is the construction finishing point. So the defect liability period start from this point. Okay, this point. So defect liability period, DLP period. At this point the defect liability period is completed, then the client should be issued the permanent certificate for this point. So most of some professional, they confuse the performance certificate where the client should be issued for the DLP period initiation point or DLP period completion point. They always confuse for this the performance certificate issue period. So we should understand very carefully the performance certificate should be issued after completion of the defect liability period. So we should be understand these things. Finally the final payment certificate. So once the contractor received the performance certificate, then the contractor request for the final payment certificate. So the contractor should be prepared all the claims and other pending payments and everything. So then this contractor sent to the consultant for this final payment application. The consultant very thoroughly review that final payment application, then they are going to release the final payment certificate. So these are the main 5 the construction certificate. So as a course commercial professional, we should be understand very thoroughly. Alright guys, so finally this is a very quick update. We recently launched 3 new courses. The first one is the MEP Quantity Surveying Practice. The second one is the EOT and Claims Management. The third one is the Interior Fit Out Quantity Surveying Practice. So there is 3 new courses are available in our website. So just visit our official website managingqs.com.